So he don't want to sit down and he don't even want to let go of his beer.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. I'm the supervisor of the research unit of the T.T.R.T unit in Tucson, Arizona. Unit 000911. This is a test on research on how this phone works.
Let me zoom in.
Do you waive any and
What's
all
the phone?
claims, future, past, and every other one that could result from this test?
Except for that I don't want my mom to make me go to bed at 7:22 at night, p.m.
Can we take that as a yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Here goes the test. This is called the stun gun. Does it work? Ready?
Yeah.
It's dead.
Ow! Fucker. Killed the chair.
Very cool. Very cool. Very cool.
Test 2. Does it work?
Fuck yeah, it works.
Did I say 250,000? I meant 1 million.
Motherfucker.
I should have held it on him already. Okay, I guess that ends the test. This could be useful for something.
Alright.
Ready?
Okay, so what? With second test, he didn't have enough, huh?
This is fucking me, huh?
Test number 2. This is only a test. Look at the camera when you see your expression.
Fuck.
What'd you do it on his butt?
That's it on his back.
I didn't look as bad as those fucking pussy cops.